I'm gonna show you how to YouTube SEO in 2 minutes or less. First thing you need to know is before you film your video, figure out what keyword phrase you wanna go for. A good tool to figure that out is TubeBuddy. It'll show you your chances of ranking for it, if it's a good keyword to rank for or not. Definitely get that. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. Once you've got that figured out, you wanna make sure you have that keyword phrase in your title, in your description, and in your tags. And then any other very similar tags, put those down below in your tags, and TubeBuddy will help you find those. And then also make sure those are in your description. That's big step number 1 to help show YouTube what your video is about. Second step is you gotta make sure your video is good. So it's not enough to just optimize the video for those keywords. You've gotta get people watching the video by getting them to click, and then also keeping them on the video, ideally to the end. That'll send good signals to YouTube that you have a high quality video. That is where you will increase your chances of ranking for the keyword phrase that you're trying to rank for. Now, to get the percentage of people that see your thumbnail or your video to click through and watch the video, and to get them watching your video all the way to the end, there's some things you'll have to keep in mind, which I show you how to do in this video. I'll give you keys to get that click-through rate up and get people to watch into the end, and it all comes down to one really big important factor. I'll see you in that video next.